Humans rely on technology every day. We use it to travel, to heat and cool our homes, to communicate with others, and to research the world around us. From lasers used in construction to alternative energy cars, from solar farms to the wealth of information available on the internet, technology makes our world go round. Whether young readers are fascinated by what makes an airplane fly or how a phone call travels through the air, your students will love Explaining How Things Work, a new series from the Child's World. In each title, readers will join a curious caveman and a well-read robot on a humorous journey through the history of some of the world's most innovative technological advances. Join these smart, funny characters as they venture back in time to explore the history of these remarkable inventions. Discover how amazing advances in technology actually operate, and find out how each invention is changing the world. Each book features original color illustrations, fact-filled timelines, informative diagrams, fascinating sidebars, and amazing photos. Helpful features in each book include a phonetic glossary, a detailed index, a link to additional resources, and more information about the series author and illustrator. Young science lovers will enjoy diving into the inner workings of telescopes, submarines, wind turbines, and much more. Check out Explaining How Things Work from the Child's World today.